First year of the C3 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a custom 1968 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, as you can see by the modified hood on it, as well as paint. We're going to get into that in just a little bit. First of all, 454 power underneath that hood, paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, power steering. Also some service work just done on the steering. Does have a new steering box and rag joint. Take a look at the chrome front bumper. Aftermarket chin spoiler. As far as paint color, it's kind of a white diamond, I guess, with that ghost flame. Rose to blue. And there you can see that custom cowl hood. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one, folks. You'll be able to see the underside, interior engine bay, top up, top down. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you kind of see a little touch-up spot. Always paint has a nice shine to it, but there's an imperfection here or there. Also riding on an aftermarket gold/chrome wheel. BF Goodrich radials. As you can see, side pipes. That does have headers on it also. So 454, 4-barrel carb. It was an Edelbrock Torker intake manifold. Headers turning into those side pipes. That cool 70s look. Bucket seats, center console, aftermarket stereo. We'll get around to the driver's side. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll put the convertible top up, check that out. We're going to check out the headlights, take a peek underneath the hood. But first, I want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Car cover will be included with the purchase of this vehicle, as well as some manuals. Owner's repair manual and like assembly manual. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures also. Once again, UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pics. If you like these C3 Corvettes, or maybe just into custom Corvettes or Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase off our showroom floor or off the internet, of course. All right, let's take a little closer peek at this interior. So standard interior. You can see you'd have the vinyl cloth blend. And there'll be close-ups of this car at every angle with those still pictures, interior. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Remember, 454 big block underneath the hood. Of course, we're gonna have a little rumble with those side pipes. I did have the radio powered up and working. Granted, it's an older Craco. Have to play around with it a bit, but I did have it working a little while ago. But it is an older Craco, like I said. As far as headlights, take a peek at those. So headlights working order. There it is. Get an underside look at the hood. And then again, that big block power. Good looking engine bay with some chrome dress up. And remember, new steering box and rag joint. Power steering. Let me go ahead and pause this. I want to get this convertible top up. And we'll take a look at the top, check out the condition of that. It's white vinyl. Let's get it up, take a peek at it. And here it is with the top up. So manual top, of course, in a C3, one person put it up pretty easily. Maybe took me a minute, give or take. It does have power windows. Also raise those so you can see how they fit on the side glass. 3 latches up front, all latch, nice and tight fit above the windshield. So white vinyl top. Latch down tight in the rear also. And as you can see, clear rear window. So nice snug fit against the body of the car. And passenger side glass rolled up also. And once again, power windows. Haven't really noticed any rips, tears, holes, maybe a couple just real small little wear marks, but nothing that is going to affect how this top functions. If you need it to keep you out of a brief shower or maybe just want to stay out of the sun, that's not going to be a problem. Custom 1968 C3 Corvette convertible here at UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Call us, 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with the sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1968 Chevrolet Corvette. This would be a convertible, and we do have a custom hood on it. Some side pipes, white with some blue ghosty flames. It's a good looking car. Sounds great with those side pipes. Let's see how she does on the road. Really sounds good when you get on the throttle of this car. There is a little extra keychain blowing in the wind here, but that's okay. Our fuel gauge is working, showing almost a full tank. Water temperature about 150. Oil pressure about 60 psi, and the battery is charging over halfway on the gauge. Factory tachometer is working. That's our large gauge on the right, and then speedometer as well is working good. This is a 4-speed right here on the center console. We have a Craco radio in the dash, which does power up. Seats, vinyl with cloth inserts, a little bit easier on the hot sun sitting on cloth than it is vinyl, which is nice. We do have the top down today, as you can tell. And we got an ambulance. This might be an ambulance's first appearance in one of our videos. Let's wait for him. Corners as a Corvette should. Nice and tight in the corners. Getting back on the throttle. Lots of fun. Just another great Corvette with some custom styling, some side pipes, looking good, and having a blast on a summer day with the top down. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.